Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this vehicle features 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 8,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare.